This is my 2011 G37x, and today we are going to be replacing the OEM Y pipe with this Jackspania racing Y pipe.
Nice. This is the current state of the Y pipe underneath this bitch. As you can see, all of the clamps are broken because the bolts rusted through, and they're all rattling, and it sounds like gravel in the exhaust.
So this is what the exhaust currently sounds like.
Man, that sounds like dookie. Let's fix that.
So these bolts, these are gonna be the fucking problem.
It's gonna be, you're gonna need a little cut.
Yeah, no, a ratchet wouldn't even fit over that.
Nice.
It's gonna have to be all cutting. Because up here, we replaced the cats with test pipes, so these bolts are all new.
Here, Mom.
Up here is gonna be really easy. It's pretty much just down there that's gonna be the problem. This Jackspania racing Y pipe does in fact come with hardware.
All right, now I have all the things you need. Adjustable wrench for the nuts on the back of the bolts, stubby impact with a wobbly, then a full set of impact sockets. We're gonna send Noah under the car, down into the belly of the beast, and he's gonna get to screwing.
What size is that, Noah? That's a 18. That's a 17.
If you have stock cats, your sizes will probably be different.
See? Look how easy that worked.
Nice. Shut up. Don't round that, you fucking knucklehead.
I got it out.
Okay, well. Buzzing gut. Did you break it?
No. I'm not wearing safety glasses and I just got a bunch of rust in my eyes.
Oh, well, that's between you and God. Should have had worse. Should have had worse eyesight, loser.
Yeah.
I always have safety glasses on.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Right now?
Yeah.
Resting my neck from sitting all fucking weird.
Oh, I forgot. Non-mechanics have weak necks. We suck some mean dick. Why doesn't this... I don't know. Operator error.
Hold up. Do me a favor.
No. That's the best bitch what face I've ever seen. If you guys are having issues with an adjustable wrench on an exhaust, do yourself a favor. If you have one out already, unscrew the nut and go measure it on an actual wrench.
All right. Now do your thing.
Oh, you need me to push on it again?
Yeah, I need you to push on it again.
Man.
I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
Wow, that was easy. It didn't break, did it?
It broke.
Well, good news. The new kit comes with new nuts and bolts, baby.
Yeah, it's still in there.
Woo! Now we gotta work on the really fun end.
Yeah.
That's the blob that we need to cut. Noah, what are some things you need to know before you start using the cutting wheel on stuff?
Number one, aim the sparks away from your face.
Yeah.
You can see this little arrow means the sparks are gonna be going that way, so that means good.
Correct.
Two, you want to try to cut it as flush with this as possible. You don't want to cut into the flange.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
And three, get it as cut as you can, and then use a pry bar and or a hammer to pop it off, because this thing is going to be extremely fucking hot.
Yeah.
And you can get a contact burn just from it falling on your knuckle. That's why I'm wearing these gloves, to try to protect myself as much as I can.
Yep.
And we have this here, just in case. So, when using a cutting wheel like this, pressure is not what you need. Patience is. As long as you're seeing sparks, it means you're cutting through something. If you put too much pressure on it, it can stop the wheel.
And then you're gonna start the wheel backed away from it, and then slowly set it up against it.
I think it needs more.
No, hold on.
It's bending a bit, but
Yeah, that bending is good. Give it some knock.
Oh, never mind, there it is.
There it is.
There's the cherry. Do not fucking touch that.
Where is it?
It's right there. Don't touch it.
Oh.
I see you reaching for it.
Yeah, don't reach for that
you,
shit.
You dumb viewer. I see you reaching for it.
That's not very nice.
I'm kidding. I love you. I'm sorry.
I don't know why you have your flashlight on. Your hair is covering your flashlight.
Oh. Oh, God.
yucky.
What are you caught on?
Ew.
Ew.
Let's do a rattle test. Not too much there.
Yeah, there's
That clamp.
That clamp, that's
This
totally
clamp.
loose.
This clamp. That clamp's okay. That one's loose. Fine. Fine. These silencer things are fucked up. These flex joints here, there's no way those weren't leaking.
We got the new Y pipe right here. It comes with hardware, so it comes with 3 new gaskets. 2 smaller ones, 1 bigger one. 2 smaller ones go up front, connecting to your either cats or test pipes if you're cool like me. And then you got your big one that goes back here.
Facts.
And then we have 1 bolt on each test pipe that we can put the Y pipe onto and loosely thread the nuts so it'll stay in place.
Set this up on the jack stand first. Okay. Now I got my nut. Yeah, have a nut in your. I will nut in your hand.
Okay.
I think that was your question, right?
Yes.
I have mine.
Oh. You said your nut in my hand. I got excited.
Oh, sorry. My wiener's over here. And I got mine in. I'm just gonna pinch this and hold it for him. I'm nutty duddy, bobble bounce. We put gaskets on this, right? Ha! That's right. Hold on. I'll teach you a trick later. When you're just trying to get a piece this big onto your exhaust, the gaskets can wait, and Noah will show you guys how.
So with the way this Y pipe is designed and how thick she is,
She's thick right near the flange.
yeah, so
Yeah.
it would be easier to have your bolts facing the back of the car and having them stick out that way because it's going to be a lot easier to fit around this than it is to fit around that. So this is a really tight fit already, so we're going to leave the bolts and the gasket off just so we can get it lined up.
Correct. Now, you're going to want to push on this because it's held on by rubber hangers and it'll have a little give that direction. And you're going to want to push on this because it's got some give up against the cats.
Oh, fuck me, dude.
If that doesn't work, you can get your mini pry bar and try to do some of that nonsense. Hey. Push.
Push. Yes, sir.
Okay. Line that bitch up. Yeah, scoot down a little bit and put your foot near that muffler. Now push. Push hard. Is it like, do you have a pry bar in between it?
Yes. Well, now.
All right, now just leave the pry bar wedged in there, and you're gonna want to try and cram your gasket in there through, and the bolt hold one side, because it's easier to swing that gasket into place than it is to slide it all the way up.
Okay.
Yeah. Now try and get a bolt through the 2 of them. All right, guys. Teamwork prevailed, and we got one side on with the nut threaded on the back loosely. Now Noah's going to swing that up into place gently without damaging it. He's got his foot on the back so he can try and give himself some wiggle room. It helps if you guys shake a little bit. Up, up. Very good.
Awesome.
There you go. We got the hard side on, guys. Look at that. Be good.
I got my hard side on.
And we're going to leave these loose. Leave these loose. Because now we got to put the gaskets on this side. Yay. These already have a bit of a gap though.
Yeah.
I don't think these will be as bad because these flex pipes are right next to them. And those will provide
Flex tape.
I feel swift. These are already pretty easy. We're going to do it the same method as we did down below.
Okay.
Very good. Now we're going to swing it into place. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is actually way
better.
Nope, I'm not going to say anything until we get it done.
He knows about karma. Who told him? Perfect. Perfect. Other side. We're going to do the other side the same way. We're going to give it a push. Get one in with a gasket, whichever side has more of a gap. And we'll get back with you
when that's done. Shut up.
All right, guys.
Okay, so for this next part,
We got everything
we're going to be tightening
lined
down.
up. The gaskets are lined up and it's good.
Everything's lined up. Now
we should make sure that the gaskets are evenly spaced on each side. This one looks good. It's basically flush with each side of it. That side doesn't look good because Noah did it by himself. Try it again.
I tried my best.
Pressure on the white pipe. Push this one up. That's good. That's actually perfect as fuck. The other side, move the gasket towards the inside. Brother, that's a 14. Oh my God. My man's put a 15 on a 14 and wondered why it got cross-threaded. Sheesh. I'm kidding, Noah. It's not your fault.
Well, I mean, technically it is my fault.
Well, yeah, okay, yeah, you're dumb as hell, but...
No, you didn't have to say that.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean it.
Oh, that's crazy. 14 does fit better.
Yeah, it's okay. You'll figure it out eventually.
I'm going to cut that part out. You're not going to know I was dumb.
Okay. Do the end now. Does that fit? Let's go.
Hell yeah.
Let's fucking see how this sounds, man.
All right. Yep. All right, we're going to see how this sounds.
Oh, yeah. Holy shit. That sounds awesome.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And make sure to check out all of our other stuff.
We got skits and vlogs,
We got gaming
podcast.
and Instagram.
Yep, they're all in the description. And yeah, make sure to leave us a compliment in the comments section down below.
We love our compliments.
Yep, you're misreading it. It does not say comments, it says compliments. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.